we are going to discuss about real-time passenger train delay prediction using machine learning, a case study with Amtrak passenger train routes. Then we are going to see about overview of our project. The main objective of our project is to analyze or forecast or predict the train delay. Either the train delay is on time or before the train reached or its delay using different machine learning algorithms. Passenger train delay significantly influences riders' decision to choose rail transport as their mode choice. This article proposes real-time passenger train delay prediction models using machine learning techniques. The system is to improve the accuracy of predicting train arrival. Delay time is of great significance for improving airport transportation efficiency. In our process, we can take the input as time series dataset, then we can implement the different machine learning algorithms such as logistic regression and random forest. Finally, the experimental result shows that accuracy for every algorithms, then we can compare the both algorithms result which one is efficient. The model has good prediction accuracy and can track the trends of multiple delay indicators well. So this is the overview of our project. This is the flow of our project. First, we can take the train delay dataset, that is the time series dataset, which was collected from dataset repositories like Kaggle, GitHub and so on. Input data. Here we can read our collected input data by using pandas packages. Then the selected data are carried out to pre-processing step. In this step we can check missing values. Here we can check any missing values, means it avoid wrong prediction. Then label encoding. Here we can convert the string into numeric integer value for machine readable. Drop unnecessary column. Here we can drop unnecessary or unwanted columns in priorly. The pre-processed data or carry out to data splitting module. Here we can split the whole dataset into test data and train data. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. Then splitted data or carry out to classification module. Here we are implemented two different machine learning algorithms such as random forest and logistic regression. With the help of this algorithm, we can predict the train delay is on time or late or before. Then the classified data. So with the help of classified data, we can estimate some performance like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score. Based on accuracy, we can analyze or we can conclude which algorithm is efficient. Then visualization. Here we can compare the both algorithms based on accuracy in the form of graph. This is the flow of our project. Now we are going to discuss about our output of our project. So this is the output. So we are running our project in Spider IDE. Input data. So here we are displayed some sample of data from our data set. Then handling missing values. Handling missing values means we can check any missing values is present in your data set. The 0 indicates there is no missing values in corresponding column. Before label encoding, so these are the strings which is present in our data set. After label encoding, so this is the strings after encode integer values. Data splitting, so we can split the whole data set into test and train. This is the total number of data and this is the total number of train data and test data. Machine learning algorithm. So here we are implemented two different machine learning algorithm such as random forest and logistic regression. This is the result for random forest and this is the result for logistic regression. Then prediction, train delay prediction. Okay, so either the train reached late or on time or before. So this is the comparison graph for random forest and logistic regression. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.